Hi everyone, in this video we want to introduce you to the Amanoy resource and the impact of facility on the environment. The content of this video consists of three parts. Part 1 introduce the Amanoy resource Ninh Thuận, and part 2 talk about the analysis effect on environment of the hotel, and part 3 talk about solution to environmental management in the hotel. Firstly, we talk about the introduction of Amanoy Resort Ninh Thuận. Amanoy Resort Ninh Thuận has over 29,000 hectares surrounding Vinh Bay. Amanoy is the name derived from the ingenious combination of Aman meaning peaceful in Sanskrit and Play meaning accommodation in Vietnamese. Amanoy Resort Ninh Thuận located in the heart of Núi Chúa National Park with a favorable position that has both a lake and the sea. The resort offers a lot of sport activities in combination with nature, such as yoga in the middle of the river, kayaking and scuba diving. Five-star Resort Ninh Thuận had a total of 36 units with 4 classes of pavilions, villa, residence and spa house. All rooms or villas here are of world-class standards. The equipment is exclusive, ensuring the safety of customers, providing the perfect space for travelers to have. The interior of each room is made of expensive wood and has an open design that harmonizes with nature, ensuring the guest relaxation space is always filled with fresh air and sunlight. The room type all have the same architecture, minimalist decorated in the traditional Vietnamese style. Each room category will have a separate pool for each unit and also separate living room, bedroom and bathroom. Next is part 2. Part 2 talk about the analyze effect on environment of the hotel. Positive impact. Number 1. Natural conservation. Resort charge an additional environmental protection fee for each customer stay at the hotel. This fee will be donated to help preserve the park better. Number 2 is enhancing environmental quality. The resort can be provide initiative for cleaning the environment through quality control of air, water, soil and waste, landscape planning program, construction design and maintenance. Number 3 is enhancing the environment, promoting the tourism industry. With good design, the right value will enhance the value of the landscape. Number 4 is improving infrastructure. Infrastructure such as airport, road, water supply and drainage system, waste treatment and communication can be improved through tourism activity. Enhancing the environmental awareness of the local community through promoting the cultural and the natural value of the tourism site, making the local community proud of their heritage and engaging the conservation activity. And about the negative impacts on natural resource, recreational activity in the sea, such as the snorkeling, sport fishing can affect the coral reef. The construction of tourism infrastructure made the land degrade, the habitat of wildlife species lost, reducing the value of the land. Impacts on demand and water quality. Tourism is an industry that consumes more water than domestic water needs of local people. Reducing biodiversity by disturbing wildlife habitats, increase pressure on threatened species due to trade and hunting activity, increasing demand for fuel and forest fire. Wastewater. If there is no wastewater collection and treatment system for the resource, the wastewater will seep into underground water or adjacent water bodies, causing pollution and spreading many types of epidemics. Garbage littering is a common problem at all resorts. On average, a tourist emits about 1 kilo of waste a day. Impacts on ecological environment. The construction of big front resorts also interfere with the coastal sand sedimentation cycle, destroy the environment and shorten public life submit. And finally is solution to environmental management in the hotel. Number one is solution to energy usage management problem. Organize regular monitoring of energy consumption. Daily or weekly monitoring help identify abnormal consumption and saving rate by installing efficient equipment and implementing necessary saving measures. Encourage guests to stay in savings such as turning off light and air conditioner when leaving the room. Coordinate with staff to identify economical measures such as turning off light, not using air conditioner when cleaning room, instead opening window to get natural air and light. When possible, the hotel invests in energy as renewable energy source such as wind and solar power. Next is solution to water use management problem. Encourage residents to use the tower and sit for more than a day, giving them tips on saving water, such as sitting down nozzle when saving or brushing their teeth. Work with staff to identify water-saving practices such as avoiding purposeful running of water or running the washing machine or dishwasher only when they full. Install water-saving devices such as toilets with low water discharge and low pressure water jet and showers. Pressure reducing device in shower can reduce the water flow with 50% without compromising user inconvenience. Use technology to minimize water use through rainwater recycling. Avoid extravagant water use habits for ornamental plants such as surface watering and garden watering during the day. Use drip irrigation and select drought-resistant native plants that are good for landscaping. Solution to waste management. Minimize wastewater through reducing water use. Use detergent and biodegradable detergents compatible with wastewater treatment technologies. Ensure all wastewater is well treated before being discharged into the environment. Hotels should reuse and recycle products that can cut product purchase costs. Communicating to employees the importance of proper waste disposal can limit the risk of litigation from the tourists and residents in the area due to contamination from the hazardous waste. Classify specific type of waste. And next is solution for chemical management. Use detergent, solvent, and other products that are environmental and biodegradable. Use automatic using of chemical in cleaning and swimming pool to ensure that a moderate amount of chemical is used in each case. Dispose of hazardous material appropriately and in accordance with specified standards. Use organic or microbiological fertilizer instead of chemical fertilizer. Recycled products. Sunflower are bright yellow, which is considered the color of lucky and happiness, according to the concept of Asian. Therefore, the most prominent and well-known meaning of sunflower is the representation of lucky and happiness. Sunflower watches are recycled from cardboard and discard newspaper. It is used as decoration in the guest room, making the room more accessible, help us saving money and reduce amount of waste we throw into the environment.